Okay, this beautiful place is called Cheoc. It's Tuesday afternoon, so we'll kind of show you what it's like on a Tuesday and tell you all about it in a minute. So okay, stay tuned. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here's Cheoc, and yeah, you can kind of see these little hills, and just kind of follow the water, and then we'll take everything to the right a little bit. But you can see kind of this rocky stuff, and then you can actually go over there a little bit and climb up. And then we were just in the last video, we were up in that area, up in those housing areas, and didn't realize that they were so close to this beach like this. The swimming pool is closed right now, so usually it's filled with a lot of foreigners actually, so you'll see more like sunbathing. Like a lot of the other ones, it's more like families swimming, but this one, it's my friend over there, he was just telling me that he was watching a lot of the channel recently. So, but yeah, so yeah, actually hello to him, because I'm sure he'll watch it later. But we're just gonna follow this along a little bit, and what about you go say hi to him or not? I'll say hi to him on the channel, so you might check it out. So yeah, you got these beautiful views, and we're just gonna walk this way a little bit. Let me just see, how should I do this? I think I'm gonna be jumping down. There we go. So we're just gonna follow the beach, and then you can kind of see what's all at Cheoc. This right here is a restaurant. It's Italian restaurant. So we'll just kind of go up. So you got this is Italian restaurant, and then we have Cheoc Beach right there. So that's where everybody goes. And this one has like pizza, pasta. I forget the name of it. Yeah, this one and that one are kind of together. So it's a good combination. Yeah, this is really nice, especially all these trees. So you got all these palm trees. I think to the left is from the typhoon. There's coffee shop. So this is all typhoon damage. Beautiful banyan trees too. So okay, so we have this whole thing. So this is kind of the main beach that everybody can go to, because you have all these palm trees right like that right here. And then here we're going to kind of reach an empty, no shade area. Yeah, I like these palm trees a lot. Those are beautiful giant rocks. Okay, so we're going to keep following it down. I think these islands over there, I think these are part of Hong Kong, or they're part of Zhuhai, China, and these are part of Hong Kong. Hong Kong does stretch almost all the way to the Macau side. And then you can, that's kind of cool. You can see some chairs up there as well, but you can actually hike up there, and then up there is the main road too, and there's little hiking trails throughout. This one is the, I think it's called the Esplanada. I'm surprised they don't have chairs everywhere outside. They have some beautiful lanterns. And what I like best is they actually paint it. A lot of times in Macau they don't paint stuff, and it doesn't really look quite as beautiful as it could. Lifeguard right here. Yeah, actually my friend that's I think you watched the video. I hope say hi to him. I don't want to say too much about people's lives, so I won't say much, but I will say that he spends a lot of time here, so it's a good place just to hang out every day, because it's pretty cool, quaint little beach. Really photogenic as well. How cool that looks. And that's really beautiful. That must be a private residency. It's weird, you'd have a private residency with a lifeguard and a beach right there. And this one right here is the Esplanade. So this one you can buy, there's a changing room right there, and then you can also buy I think it's like more like a little market. I think I've been in there before, and you can just get some basic snack kind of stuff to eat. Some boats, marina to the along that shoreline over there. Posto de Socorros. Is it a post office? Is that a post office? Or something different? Posto de something. So, okay, so we're almost at the end here. This is kind of a small beach. There's a bigger beach, but I think I like this one better because it's more manageable. The other one you have to walk for forever, and it's more chaotic. Might go down there too, though. It's a nice little entrance right there. Yeah, it's beautiful. So right here you can see this is kind of the entryway, because right here is where the cars are at, so you can park. That's beautiful. A little white thing up there. So yeah, this is a beautiful little spot. And I guess we're gonna end it right there. No kites, no dogs, no bikes, no whatever that black square thing is. Okay. Here you go.